Students, first welcome you in this session. Today I will discuss the structure of atom. In the structure of atom consists of three fundamental particles called electron, proton, neutron. First, atom consists of electron, proton, neutron. In this, I will discuss then discovery of electron, discovery of proton, discovery of neutron. Simply, I will discuss discovery of electron. Discovery of electron. In the discovery of electron, first we will make a diagram like this, simple diagram. So, in the discovery of electron can be done by the experiment which is called by means of cathode ray discharge tube. From this, so this is the negative charge electrode which is called cathode. This is positive charge electrode, it is called anode. So, cathode and anode, these two parts. Number one, a cathode ray tube, total tube. This is total is called cathode ray tube. In the vacuum pump. Vacuum pump is used to remove all the gases present in the tube. A cathode tube is made of glass. This cathode tube made of glass containing two thin plates of metal called electrodes. So these two are called electrodes. The electrical discharge, second point, the electrical discharge is passed through the gases. The electrical discharge second point, electrical discharge through the gases and observed at very low pressure and high voltage low pressure high voltage observe kariba. But third point, when high voltage applied, when high voltage is applied the high voltage apply kariba, high voltage applied across the electrodes, then the following observation takes place. The following results, then result आप discuss करेंगे. Then the following results are obtained. कौन से result देखिबा? What are the results? Then in this case, first you take discovery of electron, you take a discharge tube. One is cathode and anode, vacuum is there. A low pressure, when high voltage is applied, then the following observation is observed. What observation? The observations are number one. What are the observations? The observations कौन देखिले भर कौन सब आसला ऑब्जर्वेशंस सिंपल मैं कल कही दूसरी टिके आप लिखिदे टिके वन द कैथोड रे स्टार्ट सो द कैथोड रेज कम रे गुड़ा बाहर द रे कम्स फ्रॉम कैथोड द कैथोड रेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम कैथोड फर्स्ट अला द कैथोड रेज कौन बाहर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम कैथोड स्टार्ट कर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम cathode and moves what cathode asila asike positive charge it is positive charge negative charge goes towards positive and moves towards anode tal cathode bharla charge regular bhar ke anode ri gala number 2 b observation in the absence of electrical magnetic field in the absence of in the absence of electrical field in the absence of electrical or magnetic field the rays travel in straight line the rays travel in straight line जीवो तामाने कैथोड बाहर की straight line goes towards anode when magnetic field applied ताप देखिबा नंबर थर्ड पॉइंट when magnetic field applied कौन हबो when third observation when magnetic field applied perpendicular to the path perpendicular to the path of electrode rays they get deflected sanction deflection abo they can the regular deflection abo stellar like deflected abo they can deflected fourth observation is the ionize of the gases fourth point they ionize जो regular भाव they ionize the gases gas वाला दबाते ionize कर दो they ionize the gases when pass to the metal foil जब metal foil दबाने when pass through the metal foil then the observation fourth observation when pass through metal foil the metal foil pass कर when passed through metal foil the metal foil गुड़ा हम रखी दबा मेटल ठंडा थी मेटल बिकम हीट है गरम हो हट कराए मेटल फॉयल गेट हीटेड it get heated they rotate the pebble which होल एनर्जी नहीं जाउछि they rotate तापर पॉइंट Then the second Tampere point, they rotate the pedal wheels. Pedal wheel जता पाँच हम रखी देवा pedal wheel के रोक करिबो. And E by M ratio, E by M ratio, E means charge of the electron, M is the mass of the electron, E by M ratio of cathode of electron of cathode rays are independent of the nature of gas, of the nature of gas कुछ डिपेंड करे नहीं. नेचर जो गैस में खाली E by M जो गैस है भी that remain constant. E by cathode rays are independent of the nature of the gas. Then we will discuss ताले E कौन? E the charge of electron, M is the mass of the electron. E the charge of electron, M is the mass of electron. So by मन रखते पहले the mass of electron value टा मन रखो. सब लगा आसीबो the mass of electron is 9.1 10 to power minus 28 gram or आम केजी वाइस सिस्टम रे 9.1 into 10 to power minus 31 kg mass of electron. And charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to minus 19 coulomb. C coulomb करें. एक तीन वैल्यू तब सब भाई मन रखिबा पिले. But a kg of coulomb, charge of electron is 1.6 10 to minus 19 coulomb, mass is 9.1 10 to power minus 31 kg or 9.1 10 to power minus 28 gram. The discovery of electron, then we do discovery of proton. The discovery electron was done by J.J. Thomson. The scientist said J.J. Thomson have discovered J.J. Thomson. Then we will go to the NO rays. Same experiment, NO rays. What is called NO rays? It is called Goldstein. It is known by Goldstein. In the NO rays, the cathode cathode similarly, NO ray comes from anode and move towards cathode. First point is NO ray rays come start by come करा from anode and move towards cathode. एठू आसला कैथोड गला उल्टा ठीक है उल्टा. And number 2, these are positively charged. So negative charge, these particles, these are positively charged particle. Positively charged particle. What are positive charge? So negative cathode is rays are negative charge, it is positive charge. Third point, then the other point is the deflected electric and magnetic field. The deflected electric and magnetic field. So electric field and magnetic field deflection of the deflection electric direction. Here the E by M ratio, number fourth point here, E by M ratio of the proton depend on the nature of the gas. Depend on the nature of the gas. Depend करे. So this is the discovery of electron and discovery of proton. Simple electrons are negatively charged, where protons are positively charged. Electrons start from cathode and moves towards anode, and protons are anode has consist of protons which are positively charged, start from anode and moves towards cathode, and they are deflected by electric and magnetic field. Then what is neutron? तीनटा कहता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन. The neutron हम स्टडी करथिले चाडविक, द साइंटिस्ट चाडविक. साइंटिस्ट चाडविक करथिले हम देखिले न्यूट्रल पार्टिकल्स, दे आर आल्सो कॉल्ड. सपोज हीलियम दैट स्टडी कले हीलियम. हीलियम कंटेन 2 protons, 2 electrons. If helium contains 2 protons and 2 electrons, electron mass is negligible and the proton mass is higher. So the mass of helium should be mass of helium हवा कथा mass of helium should be 2 times, so 2 times to the mass of helium, but actually it was found it was 4 times. So from this he discovered that some neutral particles are there. Neutrons are neutral. It is neutral. The neutrons are neutral particle, and the mass of proton is nearly same. Mass of proton is nearly same to mass of neutron, and one mass of electron is, and the mass of electron both come, that is mass of electron is 1 by 36 parts of mass of proton. ताले 1836 टा इलेक्ट्रॉन मिसिबे गोटे प्रोटॉन तो इक्वल हेबे 1 by 1836 parts of mass of proton. A proton और neutron mass similar, which can explain the helium we study कले. ताल तीनटा पार्टिकल हमें देखिले, गोटे ला इलेक्ट्रॉन और प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन. इलेक्ट्रॉन is negative charge, very small mass, whereas proton are positive charge and neutrons are neutral. So this is about discovery of electron, proton and neutron. Now, so this can be explained by Thomson's model. आम तक एक्सप्लेन करबा by means of की मॉडल, Thomson's model. किमती इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन तक हम तब इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन Thomson's model. Which can Thomson's model, the positively charged charge is uniformly distributed and the electron is embedded, and the electrons, a Thomson model, the electrons are embedded in such a manner to give a stable electrostatic management. So you can compare that तरबूज जानचो हम तरबूज खाई जानचो बिना तरबूज जोटा जानचो वाटरमेलन. Example is watermelon ने देखि पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज और सीड ता सीड रे पाए पॉजिटिव चार्ज रे पाए जाए पॉजिटिव चार्ज रो पाजबो ता सीड रे सीड्स. नेगेटिव चार्ज द अदर पार्ट जोड़ा रहला, नेगेटिव चार्ज हला द आउटर पोर्शंस, सीड परे द अदर पार्ट्स, अदर इनर पार्ट्स. एबे देखिला हम ताले बर्तन ए जोरे तरबूज वाला बर्तन तरबूज ए जो जगह रे एगुडा जिमिति रही चार्ज जोराक मंजी गुडा जोराक होची ता सीड गुडाक हम जे पॉजिटिव चार्ज ला भीतर जो नाली अंश थाए दैट इज कॉल्ड नेगेटिव चार्ज, अदर इनर पार्ट्स जोड़ा रहला So this is arranged like a watermelon. The Thomson's model, spherical type ro. Now main point is we'll discuss Rutherford's model. ये আমরা বুঝে পারলাম না কোজার ইলেকট্রন কোজার প্রোটন কোজার রথারফোর্ডস মডেল ফোর্স মডেল very important this is Rutherford's model কোন কইলে আমরা তো লম্বা alpha particle when alpha particle is passed through thin gold foil very thin gold foil pass karna. Alpha particles are passed through a very thin gold foil. So the alpha particle में thin gold foil ले, it was thin gold foil में ले, thin gold foil. The particles should take these particles, alpha particles. These particles should take. एक मौजूद जगह का रहिला. These particles चलियाला. Here it can move. Here we can move. It also passed. କିଛି ଅଂଶ ଡିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ସନ ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟେଡ ଆଉ କିଛି ଗଲା ଯୋଉ ବାଟେ ଗଲା ସେଇ ବାଟେ ଫେରିଲା ଆଉ କିଛି ଡିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ସନ ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଲା ପଟେ ଡିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟେଡ ତାହେଲେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆମେ କଲେ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଆଲଫା ପାର୍ଟିକଲ ଗୁଡାକ ଆଲଫା ପାର୍ଟିକଲ and this is gold foil thin gold foil तीनटा केस आला three cases arises number 1 three cases arises in Rutherford's model. Number 1, most of the alpha particles, number 1, most of the alpha particles can pass through thin gold foil बहुत रहे सीधा पड़े जैसा सीधा पड़ेगा तो thin gold foil number 2 some are deflected number 3 very few return back फेरी ऐसा तो तीनटा केस most of the rays directly pass through the thin gold foil, some rays deflected through angle and very few rays जो बाटे गला सही बाटे फेरी ऐसा जो बाटे गला तो सही चलला तो this conclusion हम कौन पाइबा ताने gold foil हमें Rutherford's कहले alpha ray pass through thin gold foil and from this conclude that most of the alpha particle can directly pass through thin gold foil and very few rays जो बाटे गला धक्का गला से बाटे फेरी आसला आउ किछि कौन कला गला डिफ्लेक्शन हला तीनटा केस राइज कला ताले ऑब्जर्वेशन हला नंबर ऑब्जर्वेशंस हम कौन पाइले वन द ऑब्जर्वेशंस the observations are observation number one most of the space empty जो गुड़ा का most of the spaces are empty कोई जगह empty है जो जगह empty when alpha particles can directly pass जो जगह directly pass करियला तान से दिया empty that is vacant position होची चलो बेसिक पार्टिकल नहीं था भीतर deflection takes place बिटको तीनटा केस हला deflection takes place due to then alpha का positive charge जो positive charge हला then deflection must be deflection takes place due to presence of positive charge, जो presence of positive charge, कारण जो जगह positive charge रही सही जगह डिप्रेशन है। नंबर 3 few rays come back as the total mass is concentrated, गोटे जगह is concentrated in a region which is called nucleus, तीनटा कथा। जो जगह पड़े गला से जगह एम्प्टी, जो जगह डिप्रेशन ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज। थर्ड पॉइंट, जो जगह फेरी आसला तार टोटल मासटा गोटे पार्टिकुलर जगह कन्संट्रेट स्मॉल जगह, the small region is called nucleus, तीनटा कथा हमरे राइज त न्यूक्लियस वाला टू तब नामे कंसीडर कले गोटे छोट जगह जो जगह टोटल मासटा अच्छी तो कल न्यूक्लियस, आ एटा कहला जो जगह बाहर जगह कह जेबो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। सो यू मे टेक दिस सिंपल वे, यू मे राइट दिस, you know, this is atom, this is nucleus, जो जगह धक्का लेके डिफ्लेक्शन है, it is K charge, positive charge, alpha is positive particle, positive particle डिफ्लेक्शन होतला, किछि धक्का लेके पळे आस्तला तमाने मास टा कंसंट्रेट होतला ए जगह जो इलेक्ट्रॉन रहला, दिस आर जो इलेक्ट्रॉन। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड जो जगह इलेक्ट्रॉन बुलुचंती सर्कुलर पाथ देखा जाय ऑर्बिट्स। सो न्यूक्लियस, द न्यूक्लियस भितरे एटी रहला टोटल मास, द न्यूक्लियस कंटेन तीनटा कथा, न्यूक्लियस कंटेन प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन, तार मास तार बेसी, टोटल मास प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन भीतर, न्यूक्लियस भीतर अछंती प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन, तले ए जगह रे जो जगह मझी जगह रे कंसंट्रेट अछि दैट इज कंटेन प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन, एंड द मास नंबर एक भारी बड़े वर्ड मास नंबर, the mass number is equal to mass number is equal to number of electrons, number of protons plus number of neutrons. Very important point. Mass number is called at a mass number of protons plus number of neutrons, or we write like this, NP plus number of neutron, Nn, NP and Nn. Then I will discuss that the electrons neutral atom रे, in the neutral atom consists of the neutral position रे एटम चार्ज रे एटम रे तब न्यूट्रल थिले एटम कंसिस्ट ऑफ प्रोटॉन, number of protons is equal to number of electrons, mass number all we write this at mass रखले भी चलिबो। Then we'll discuss simple way isotope. What is isotope? काको आइसोटोप कहबो तुम बुझी पाला, प्रोटॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन, न्यूट्रॉन अछि ताको बेस करके ना आइसोटोप डिस्कस करबा। आइसोटोप है सेम एटॉमिक नंबर बट मास नंबर कही पार एटम मास कही पार सेम जिनस, atomic mass ja mass number se by the different atomic mass, same atomic number but different atomic mass is called an elements having same atomic number. Elements, simple way we write, elements having same atomic number but different atomic mass are called isotope. Simple बुझेबी are called isotope are called isotope. Simple we may write देखो C612. Let us discuss what the isotope examples are. The examples we write C612. एटे नंबर तले लिखिबा, एटे मास के ऊपर रखिबा. C612. 6 तले means your number of protons are 613. So remaining same element, atom number same 6 carbon 6 ala. Here atom mass ala 12, here atom 13. So these are called isotopes. These are called isotopes because it contain same element, but the same atomic number but different atomic mass. The same atomic number, different atomic mass, then that is called isotopes. That is due to that it contains, so number A, it contains 6 protons, 6 neutrons. Atom mass is equal to number protons neutrons 12 minus 6 neutrons. So here 6 protons and 7 neutrons. 7 neutrons. Then 6 protons, 7 neutrons. 6 protons is change of the isotope is formed due to change of isotopes are formed. Isotopes are formed due to change of fill in the blank due to change of neutron. Can neutron change ala? Change of neutron. एक लोकेशन पकड़ले कर पारियो due to change of neutron. Then with the isobar. What is isotope and isobar? In the isobar, depend देखो ठीक उल्टा isobar लाते हैं same the elements having मतलब same atomic number different mass उल्टा same atomic mass but different atomic number different atomic number example बुझी पारियो are called isobar are called isotope the difference isobar and isotope are same element हिथिबो as different element हे पारे different element हबो examples are देखा पहले C614 atomic mass is 14 suppose C614 N714 so here the atomic mass this is atomic mass and this is atomic number. So atomic number is different but the atomic mass same. So these two are called example is isobars. These are called isobars. Other example you may write chlorine मैं सिंपल लिखिपारिबा गोटे सपोज देला ऑक्सीजन O8 16 suppose you take O8 16 मैं सिंपल we take argon 18 calcium 20 this 40 argon 18 40 so these two mass number is same but electron number different. So these two are called isobars. These are called isobar. Different, mark the difference. But isotope and isobar. Same atomic number, different atomic mass is called isotope. उल्टा गया, same atomic mass, different atomic number are called isobar. Then I discuss the drawbacks. Rutherford model drawback है Bohr's theory क्या मैं drawbacks of Rutherford model. Drawbacks of Rutherford model. Rutherford model could not explain the stability of a atom. It could not explain, number one, it could not explain the stability of an atom. What atom stability बुझे पाला नहीं. Stability of an atom. Bit 2, it says nothing. Number 2, it says nothing about the electron structure of the atom, electrical nature, but it cannot explain. It cannot, by simple like it could not explain the position of electrons. The position of electrons. Stability बुझे पाले जब stability बुझे पाले because it could not explain stability. जब तब nucleus अच्छी, electrons are moving around the nucleus move करती, it loss energy. Electrons loss energy. So the electrons loss energy loss करी तो दौड़ थकी पड़ी तो मैंने तले पड़ी जीवो से बोला electron के movement करीबो से तो बोलता energy loss करी का सिगी positive charge ऊपर पड़ी जीवो जोड़े के साथ संभव नहीं. So it could not explain the stability of an atom. It could not explain the position of electrons. कोई जगह रे electron अच्छी explain कर पाला नहीं. ताको modify कर ले किए. all scientists असले ताको नाला Bohr's theory. तन प्रथम थॉमसन्स मॉडल है तापर रथफोर्स असले रथफोर्स कला परे तापर असला Bohr's मॉडल. Bohr's theory. Bohr's theory कौन कहले साइंटिस्ट Bohr's theory से बता नंबर 1 फर्स्ट पॉइंट वाला Bohr's theory postulates of Bohr's theory postulates of Bohr's theory number 1 first point वाला the electrons move around the nucleus. The electrons move around the nucleus in a circular path. So कहले in की path circular path. First वाला the electrons move around the nucleus around a circular path. Every move करते nucleus. Electrons move in a circular path. Electrons move around the nucleus in a circular path. Bit 2. Number 2. The electrons in a particular orbit, circular path, which are called. it हमें कल की पढ़ा which are called orbit. The circular path हम orbit का ही पढ़ा or energy levels, or you can this called energy level like this. तो ये जो path इलेक्ट्रॉन बुल्लू चारी पटे न्यूक्लियस है these are called energy level. These are called energy level. एंगी बोल चंदी कोटे level out level this like this बोला उची. Bit 2 second point. जब पर्यंत इलेक्ट्रॉन in a particular energy level, the electrons present in particular energy level. Bit 2. if the electron remain in a particular energy level, as the electron remain in a particular point, second point, when the electron remaining in a particular energy level, electrons remaining in a particular energy level, it will neither loss or gain energy, যেটা গোটে ইলেকট্রন দেখা পিলে নিউক্লিয়স ଅଛି এমতি সার্কুলার পাথ ଅଛି, দি সার্কুলার পাথস আর কল্ড অরবিট, এমতি বলুଛନ୍ତି বর্তমান the circular paths are called orbit. A first orbit, second orbit like this. যেপর্যন্ত ইলেকট্রনটা particular energy level ଅଛି, it will neither loss or gain energy, third point, যদি জব করিবা এই থিওরি ইলেকট্রন ଅଛି energy ডিফারেন্ট ଅଛି, but when the electron, third point, when the electron jumps from number third, when electron moves from one level to other level, from one energy level to other energy level, then loss or gain of energy takes place. Loss hai pare or gain of energy takes place. Loss or gain of energy takes place. Suppose higher to lower gala. So this can be done E2 minus E1 is equal to H nu. E2 higher level or lower level, E2 minus E1, what is stable out level is called E2 minus E1, H nu, the frequency, it is a frequency, this is one level E2, higher energy level, lower energy level, low energy achi, but ei jaga energy achi E2, this jaga is E1, so E2 minus E1 is equal to H nu, where H is the Planck's constant. This is called Planck's constant. This is called Planck's constant. Nu the frequency is called frequency. E to the energy level, one energy level, other energy level. E to higher energy level, lower energy, gain or loss energy. Then we will discuss the angular momentum of the electron. Tapora point. The angular momentum, that is called number fourth point, the angular momentum is the value of momentum of the electron move করছি, ইলেকট্রন মুভ করছি, তাহলে angular momentum আছে is equal to m v r is equal to n h by 2 pi. n is a number, m is the mass of electron, m is the mass, v is the velocity, r is the radius, n is the number integer, and you want to like this. Pi is मूल्य जान pi 22/7 by 3.14. H is the Planck's constant. So the angular momentum of the moving electron is equal to nh by 2 pi. Suppose ताल बर्तमान में बुझेले बॉस थ्योरी कहला फास्ट बुझे दो सुना पिले सिंपल वे रे Bohr theory कहला the electrons are moving around the nucleus. So suppose this is the nucleus, the electrons moving around the nucleus, and this is called first energy level. Is called first energy level. First energy level, and this is called nucleus. The nucleus चारिपटे जो level अच्छी first energy level, electrons are moving around the nucleus. So this will be second energy level. So this is the third energy level. So here n is equal to 1, here n is equal to 1, here n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. So the first energy level is called K cell. It is called K cell. The first energy level, I am writing here, the first energy level is called, the first orbit is called K cell. Second energy level, so similarly second energy level is called L cell. Second energy level but second orbit एक same thing. So second orbit is called L cell. Third orbit is called M cell. So the ଆମେ ଜାଣିଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯେପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରନଟା ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଏନର୍ଜି ଲେଭେଲରେ ବୁଲୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଇଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ନାଇଦର ଲସ୍ ଅର୍ ଗେନ୍ ଏନର୍ଜି। ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରନଟା ଏଠି ଅଛି ଏଠି ଜମ୍ପ କଲା E2 minus E1 that is called h nu. H is the Planck's constant, nu the frequency, and the angular momentum of the electron is quantized, that is MBR is equal to NH by 2 prime. जरा गुड़ी रेक्स कौन थी MBR लिखी थी MBR is equal to 4 point NH by 2 pi. So this is the postulate of Bohr theory, and the maximum electrons, the maximum number of electrons that can accommodate, the maximum number of electrons, maximum number of electrons that can accommodate, that can remain, the simple way, that can remain in a particular energy, in a particular energy level, I mean formula 2n square, 2n square. तार बिले कोई अकेला n is equal to 1. So the maximum electron in the K cell, the K cell ले maximum electron कितना हुआ? The 2 into n square, that is equal to 2 into 1 square, which is equal to 2. Second cell, if you take second cell, this will be 2 into 2 square, 2 into 2 square maximum. So maximum number of electrons will be 8. Third cell, n is equal to 1 means 2, n is equal to 2 means maximum 2 into n square, that is 2 into 2 square, that is equal to 8. Third cell ले रहा है K cell, L cell ले M cell ले रहा है maximum electron 2 into 3 square, that is 18. So this is about the electrons remain there. So this is about Bohr's theory. In the postulates of Bohr theory, we can some drawbacks of Bohr's theory. Before going to drawbacks, I will discuss the spectra of hydrogen spectrum. It discuss only explain the hydrogen spectrum. It explain hydrogen spectrum. It explain the spectrum of hydrogen. By hydrogen spectrum, it explain the hydrogen spectrum. Give me the hydrogen multi-electron visible hydrogen spectrum. The hydrogen spectrum is visible. So this could explain the spectrum of hydrogen. Simple way, hydrogen contain only one proton, one electron. Hydrogen gote proton and one electron and no neutron. That is neutron hai. One proton and one electron. So it explains the hydrogen spectrum कि मुझे पहले देखा single electron system. इट को आ जाए single electron. It is one only single electron. It could explain the single electron system टा बुझे पहले. Single electron system. कि मैं single electron बुझे वाला देखा पहले. Suppose this is the first. n is equal to 1. here n is equal to 2, here n is equal to 3, and so on, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4. मतलब लाइन में लिखिए, लाइन लिखते सुविधा हम इजी हो तुम बुझिया पाई. Suppose n is equal to 1, you may write like this. Give me a whisper, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n1, n is equal to 2, n is 3, 4, 5, so on, 5, n which bala first energy level eta la n1, second la n2, n3 बर्तन का करिबा बर्तन जंप करिबा. Suppose n la 2, n is equal to 1, electron jumps 2 to 1, ताले n1 टा ला 1, n2 is equal to 2. So the n1 टा 1 ला n2 ला 2 2 ए पारे पुन 3 to 1 कसला पुन again like this. And how do you electron jump करिबा and 6 like this, आप को दिखा छी हम like this jump करा बने जदि n1 टा 1, n2 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on. जब ये बड़ा हला then this is called Lyman series. এটা কাজে কি সিরিজ? Lyman series. Lyman series रे n1 टा ला 1, n2 ला 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. এটা কাজে UV ultraviolet region. This region is called UV region. Similarly, when n এটা 2 को আসিব এইটা সব দেখো so যেটা when n1 1, n2 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that Lyman series. Similarly, when n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to তা উপরকু এটা 2 ধরলাম গ্রাউন্ড স্টেটটা 2, তাহলে এটা করব 3 to 4 to 2, 5 to 2, তাহলে n2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So this is case is called Balmer series. Lyman, then this is called Balmer series, which is called visible region. It is called visible. Out associated with 2 kaila. Suppose with 3 can be like this. Tell when n1 is equal to 3, n2 is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 dot dot. সেই জায়গা যদি হলা বর্তমান, so this is called Paschen series. Paschen. এটা কাজে Paschen, এটা Lyman, Balmer, Paschen series. When n1 is equal to 4, similarly n2 ला 5, 6, 7 dot dot. The 4 का আসিব বর্তমান like this. So this is called Beckett series. Beckett. Out of the 4 series, when n is 5, n2 is 6, 7 dot dot dot, this is the 4 series. These series are called the IR region. These are Paschen, Beckett and Pippon remain in IR infrared region. তাহলে বর্তমান আমি যে পাইলে Lyman এটি দিয়ে আসিব this series like this. 5টা series পাইলো Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Beckett, Pippon. তাহলে এই যে আমি পাইলে the first line, okay, the question is suppose the first line of Lyman series, what is the value of n1, what is the value of n2? First line, this is your first line. In the first line of Lyman series, simple এত কই পারি এটা প্রথম লাইন, এটা দ্বিতীয় লাইন, তৃতীয় লাইন, চতুর্থ, so like this. In the first line first line of Lyman series, first line of Lyman series, n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to 2. Thank you. First line. Second line second line so the second line is equal to n1 is equal to 1. So n1 1, n2 will be 3. Third line, similarly, third line, second line. In the third line, n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to 4. जो लाइन तो सिमिलरली फर्स्ट लाइन सेकंड करबा इक्वेशन बाहर हमर जो लंबरा बाहर करा जबो 1 by lambda wavelength बाहर 1 by lambda is equal to wave number which is equal to RH 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Simple. 1 by lambda, where R is called Rydberg constant, R is called Rydberg constant, whose value is 109. R मूल्य RH मूल्य RH में मूल्य is 109,677 cm inverse, or you may write 1.09677 10^7 meter inverse, or the meter करवा नबा. Taking this value, we can find out the wavelength of the spectrum. It could explain. So Bohr's theory from this, it could not explain the formation of Bohr's theory, could not explain drawbacks of Bohr's theory. Drawbacks of Bohr's theory could not explain the formation of molecule, could not explain the formation of molecule. Number bit 1. Number bit 2, it could not explain multi-electron system, the spectra. It could not explain the spectra of multi-electron system. Only to occupy single electron. It explain hydrogen करिबो, lithium भी करिबो, lithium 1 proton, lithium beryllium plus, that is ଆମର hydrogen helium lithium plus ଯଦି ଆମେ करिबो 1 plus एरा बुझी पारि 1 electron system बुझी पारिबो, किंतु अलगा बुझी पारिबोनी. It cannot explain the spectra of only one electron system. It could not explain the spectra of multi-electron system बुझी पारिबोनी. It could not explain the spectra of multi-electron system. It could not explain number 3. It could not explain Zeeman effect. It could not explain Zeeman effect. Zeeman करि पालानी. Suppose one question problem may be asked. Sometimes problem पड़ जाए there. Calculate, the problem is there. Calculate the wavelength. Of second line of Lyman series. हमें second line of Lyman series जो wavelength बाहर करिबा. How can we find out the wavelength of second line of Lyman series? First to understand what is Lyman series. This is your Lyman series. So this first line, second line is asking. if the question is asking you second line, that means you have to take the second line means n1 kete n2 bhag karibo. What is n1? In the second line of Lyman series, n1 is always 1 here, n2, here n2 is the first line, second line. What is n2? n2 is n equal to 1 and 2 3, n2 is equal to 3. First line n2 is 2, second line means 3. तमने RH we can find 1 lambda 1 by lambda is equal to wavelength. This wavelength is 1 by lambda. Lambda is equal to wavelength. Wavelength. तो निजे भाग कर पारिबो is equal to RA RH that be constant into 1 by n1 square by 1 minus n2 square. What is n1 square? Put the value. R मिला is 109,677 same inverse. And 1 by n1 square. n1 square is equal to n1 1 square minus 1 by 3 square. Kai 3 kale because second line. Third line पकेबो. Third line ले n1 kete n2 kete 1 2 3 4. Third line 1 2 third line. Third line लेला इटा into 4. इटा put कला परे तो मैं write this like this. One by lambda is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to multiply कर जहाँ से 109,677 1 minus 1 by 9. जब वैल्यूएशन नीचे कर परिबो. So 1 by lambda is equal to 109,677 CM राशिबो. CM minus 1 to 9 minus 1 by 9. Or 1 by lambda is equal to 109,677 into 8 by 9. From this, you can find out lambda. We can find out the lambda value. It's method. 1 by lambda value, this is called lambda. So by this, second line पर first line पर you can find out the wavelength पर wave number मध्य भाग कर पारिबो, energy मध्य भाग कर पारिबो, तीन टाइप के भाग करिबो. In the calculation of energy you would take daily energy calculation में हम लिख देबा daily change of energy del E is equal to change of energy 2.18 into 10 to the minus 18 joule 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So this is all about the Bohr theory and the spectrum of hydrogen. In the next class I will start the quantum numbers and other factors. Quantum mechanical model of atom. We will discuss quantum mechanical model for atom. Okay, thank you. So simple MD पढ़ले you can write by this method. You can do this simple way. अच्छा बर्तन बंद कर देला पुन पर आउटे क्लास आओ एटोटे बंद कर देबे हां